printer is a virtual machine if you have a small business and/or want a home. There's no point in wasting your time in this busy life. As we have smartphones, smart strategies to make our time productive, we want an intelligent printer to enhance our work productivity. Many printers are great, but they are not smart ones, to tell you the truth. The reason is that they lack creativity in terms of speed, connection, printing technology, and more. However, finding a smart printer is easy as it only requires smart research. Today, we have this great Canon PIXMA MX922 printer review to make things easier for all those who long to have a superb and smart printer. The printer's printing output type is color that clarifies our ambiguity regarding the monochrome printer and color printer. Buying Guide presents Canon PIXMA MX922.
It's here. Your select Canon PIXMA wireless printer and Google Cloud Print. Now you can use almost any device with an internet connection to print almost any kind of image from almost anywhere on a Google Cloud Print enabled printer. Save, send, share, and print right from the cloud. Imagine what you will do with your select Canon PIXMA wireless printer and Google Cloud Print.
Necessary insights to the printer. When we think of buying a printer, certain things pop up in our minds. Therefore, we will first mention all those functionalities. We have discovered that it is a color printer and we can print our memories and make them alive forever. The printer's appearance matters to so many people as it should be a neutral color that only knows how to complement your place. The color of the printer is an amalgamation of red and black. An inkjet printing technology makes this printer sassier and more relaxed. This technology only knows how to speed up your work and enhance efficiency and productivity. In-depth functionalities of the printer. The first feature of the printer is its superior resolution with a remarkable outcome. We know that it is a wireless printer, and this claims that we can connect our internet connection to make things work fast. We will be asked to connect our mobile device and cloud printing for our home and office. Now we know that it has built-in Wi-Fi. We can enable AirPrint to enjoy more printing options from our iPad, laptop, and more. Another in-depth feature of this print is its fully integrated auto-document feeder availability. It means it offers duplex printing for rapid document and picture copying, scanning, and faxing. There's a high-capacity cassette for plain papers that help you focus on your work in the printer. The maximum print speed this Canon printer offers for black printing is 15 pages per minute. As for the maximum print speed for color pages or photograph is 10 pages per minute. For comparison, we will use another printer from the same brand as Canon PIXMA MX922. Both the printers have a flatbed scanner in it.
Please check the product link below the description and subscribe to our channel for more updates.